Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin, the most popular and valuable cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be used to send and receive payments over the internet without intermediaries or banks. In addition, Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million units, which gives it long-term appreciation potential. To buy Bitcoin, the first thing you need is a wallet, which is an application or device that allows you to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. There are different types of wallets, such as software wallets, hardware wallets, or paper wallets. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, but in general it is recommended to use a hardware wallet or a secure and reliable software wallet. Once you have your wallet, the next step is to choose a platform or exchange where to buy Bitcoin. An exchange is a website or an application that allows you to exchange fiat money, such as dollars or euros, for cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, just follow these steps. Create an account on Coinbase with your email and password. Verify your identity with your ID or passport. Add a payment method to your account, such as a card or bank account. Select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and confirm the operation. Receive your Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet or send them to your own wallet. That's how easy it is to buy Bitcoin with Coinbase. If you want to know more about how to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, I invite you to follow us and leave your super like on the video. Until next time.